Hello guys, as you know, in our channel we are all about encouraging you to start goat farming and utilize that piece of land that you have lying idle. So most of you have been asking the price of goats to start your farm. So this week we went back to the market. We wanted to add some more local goats. So here we have 11 goats that we bought this week for Kenya shillings 3,500 each, and all of them are mature, and they've already been serviced, and we expect them to kid within 5 months. Then we'll have them serviced again within a month, and with a gestation period of another 5 months, so they'll kid twice in 2022.